Hey, my beloved teacher and my old friends, I would like to make a presentation about getting closer to educational management. So, what is and why educational management? Next, in the following, we will briefly describe the management of education at the State University of Surabaya. Before entering the presentation material, here I will read about the points that will be discussed later. Okay, first, overview. Here I will describe what education management is and why education management is needed. Second, educational programs. In this scope, I will explain about several academic exchange programs in education management. Third, achievement. According to those names, I will describe the achievements that have been achieved. And fourth, alumni, which contain an explanation of the job prospect of alumni in the future. Next. Okay, first let me to introduce myself. I'm Abrilian Bintang Ratna Dewi. My ID number 20010714047. I'm an active student at the State University of Surabaya, and I'm in a bachelor degree at Education Management. It has appeared on your Zoom screen, my email and my social media accounts that you can visit and maybe ask questions regarding the presentation of the material that I will do. Okay, next. Let us start from the first section. So, what is education management? Next. Educational management is one of the majors under the auspices of the Faculty of Education. Educational management program aims to make the graduates become the master of planning, managing, supervising assets, infrastructure, and the course of the educational process. The student of educational management program will receive learning and training about education management, which are theory, practice, and research. The educational management student learn about the education policy, human resource management and development, financial management, information technology, and curriculum development. Students are education management are also required to get used to critical and tactical thinking. There are three important in this department. Namely, first, educational management started its existing as a part of the education staff from Education Institute since March 2009 under the name Education Management Program. Second, the Department of Education Management currently has an essential position in the implementation of education in schools in line with the demands of the community on the management of educational institutions to be able to produce qualified and highly competitive graduates. And 30, education is structured as a form of actualization of work units within the FEP environment in outline top-down gradients and bottom-up innovation to implement development and innovation programs that are relevant to the responsibilities carried out. Next. Some words. Next, from John F. Kennedy, the goal of education is the advancement of knowledge and the dissemination of truth. Next. Let us move to the next section. We will discuss about educational programs. Next. Learning programs are learning opportunities that can be used by all students to be able to study outside the campus environment. Next, the educational program which open in the Education Management Department are first, internship. Educational Management internship is a course that is directed so that graduates have the ability as staff of education administration or management officer in accordance with the vision and mission of the department. Professions that can be accessed by graduates majoring in education management include education manager, education system project management, education system analyst, education system implementer, education consultant, education trainer, training programs designer, education research and developer, and education supervisor and other occupation, other related to the field of education management. Second, student exchange. Learning activities carried out by students outside their study program at the original university or at other universities in the country or abroad with a study load of 20 credits until 40 credits. The State University of Surabaya has conducted student exchange with several universities in Indonesia, such as Brawijaya University, Indonesian Education University, Pajajaran University, Jakarta State University, and each other. Third, teaching assistant. Teaching assistance in education units is a form of collaboration learning activities carried out by students under the guidance of teacher and supervisor in formal education units. Education management has sent students to do teaching assistantship in several educational institutions such as the elementary school in Kediri, Ponorogo, and each other. Fourth, KKN, the student study service, is a form of community service activity that is special because in KKN, education and teaching, research, and community service are integrated into it and involve a number of students and a number of teaching staff plus elements of the community. And the last, five, independent. Certified independent student is part of the Merdeka Campus program, which aims to provide opportunities for students to learn and develop themselves through activities outside of class lecture, but are still recognized as part of the lecture. Next, we will enter the achievement of educational management section. Achievement here, I only saw some of the achievements that have been achieved by education management student while being active student. I took all the data from the UNESA Education Management website. So first, achievement that have been won first place in a national economic essay competition for Young Cadre Management Student Association of Mahakarya Asia University. Two, winner of Student Entrepreneur Program Incentive at Surabaya State University. Three, winner of the Student Creative Program Incentive Bermawa Dikti, application aksaranesia.co to support the school literacy movement for students of SMA Negeri 1 Waru Sidoarjo. And four, Student Creativity Program Incentive winner Bermawa Dikti Eco Kids Innovation of Dibble color paint that is safe for children. Next. The last part I will describe is alumni. Education management alumni are not only principal or education consultant. Educational management also provide job prospects that provide guarantees such as education and training institution. Here I take some data on alumni who were able to curve their learning outcomes for 4 years. Next. One, first expert auditor at the Inspectorate General of the Ministry of Education and Culture. Two, training analyst at the Education and Training Center of the Secretary General of the DPR RI. Three, young entrepreneur in modern kebaya fashion. Four, HRGA staff and entrepreneur at PT Integra Group. Five, founder of Angkasa Nusantara Indonesia. And six, in-house training and outbound training facilitator and curtains HRD and Pyramid Edu Training Surabaya. Next. Well, that was the result of my presentation on educational management at the Surabaya State University. All further information can be visited on your website, namely mp.fip.unesa.ac.id, or you can visit our Instagram page, mp_unesa. If you can question, you can also ask me by contacting my email and Instagram. I apologize if there are errors during my presentation. Thank you for your attention and see you later. Bye-bye. Alhamdulillah.